Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to give you an update of what's going on. Of course, this is the naked edition. Would you like to see the? We'll stop right there. So, I'm gonna tell you what's going on and what our time schedule is, where we're going to be, and what's going on for this fall. Because you've just entered the Coolest Life update edition. So a couple things I want to say. Thank you for so much. We have got over 1,200 subscribers, which is awesome. I wish those subscribers would watch all of our videos, but that's okay. You watch a few of them every now and then, and that's great for us. The other thing is we've hit another milestone. We're about to hit 500. Boy, that's a lot. 500 videos that we've posted. So that's didn't think I was going to quite get to 500, but I think it's been about 3 years, so that should happen. We've been on the road about 18 months here at RV parks all around the country. Now, update for what's going on here. This week what we got plans for. I'm going to try to go to a water park this week and maybe do a video. I've got one of those little water, what do they call those? Cameras. So I want to do some video going down some of the flumes, so that should be good. There's one flume that actually spins as it goes around here in Wisconsin Dells. Wisconsin Dells, if you didn't know, is the headquarters essentially of all of the water parks in the country. There's more water parks here per square miles than any place else in the world. Yes, in Wisconsin Dells. Somewhere outside, most are inside. They've got a Great Wolf Lodge and a place called Kalahari, and another big place is called Mount Olympus. So it's huge. But anyway, that's things to do here in Wisconsin Dells. Let's see what else is going on. So I'm gonna be doing that this week, and also on Tuesday we're going to a Brewers game in Milwaukee. If you didn't check out our other videos on Brewers game, check out that video. I'm gonna post right there about us going to our last Brewers game. We also went to Harley Davidson, which I'll post in this video also, as far as going to Harley Davidson headquarters in Milwaukee. That was cool. You should definitely check it out. If you're a bike rider or you know a bike rider, send them that video. I'm telling you, I got so much footage inside. I asked them about videotaping. They said, please don't videotape. I said, well, I don't want to videotape the whole thing, just bits and pieces. They said, all right, fine. Just don't hold up traffic or make people move. Let everybody else enjoy the place, and as long as you do that, you're okay. So I'm okay. So I did some quick ones. Another thing we've done here in Wisconsin Dells, where we did the House on the Rock. You should check out that video. That's pretty cool. But in the future, what we're going to now is we're going to be here through September 15th, I think it is. I'm going to go through some more Masonic lodges here in the area, and got some degree work. Got some other lodges coming up. But one of the things we're going to be doing while we're still here is I see water parks and some other things. But on our way south, we're going to be spending the winter in South Padre Island and or Corpus Christi, Texas. Somewhere between those two, we're going to be spending our winter, so we're looking forward to that. We spent last winter in South Florida, which was great. Love the weather down there. So hopefully we'll get the same type of atmosphere there in South Texas. But before we get there, we're going to be in Kansas City. We're going to be there for 2 weeks. I'm going to stay at an RV park there in Kansas City, and then we're going to be heading down to Texahoma, which is due north of Dallas on the Oklahoma-Dallas line, or Oklahoma-Texas line, I should say. So we're going to be staying there, and then from there we're going to be going to there's an RV park between San Antonio and Houston. We're going to be staying at for a couple weeks, and then we're going to be staying at an RV park just north of Dallas, which is called Lake Cahonie, I think is what it's called. We're going to be staying there for a couple weeks. If you're there and you see our RV, by all means, come by and say hello or whatever. Maybe we can spend the day, go out and get a beer or whatever. Be glad to touch base with you. We are not nearly large enough like some of those others that are like, please don't come by my place. It's all weird and stuff if you do that. No, we're not we're not nearly there. By all means, come by and say hello. If you see our logo out or something, that you know where we're at. Right now we're in Arrowhead Campground, Wisconsin Dells, till September 15th. So if you can get in the area, come on and down, and Wisconsin Dells. Be glad to say hello and spend some time with you, whatever. Come on down and do that. And let me see what else. Oh, so we're going to the Texahoma. We're going to, like I said, I haven't really nailed down a place to work yet in Corpus Christi, Texas, but we're going to be doing that pretty soon. Look, does my fire go out? It almost went out. I'm just outside my RV. No, that's not my RV. My RV's over there. But I'm going to get that fire going again. Looks like it's about ready to go out. But people going by like crazy. The great thing about being full-time out here is I'm actually working part-time. Of course, most of you know me know I'm an RV inspector, so that work comes pretty sporadically. It doesn't come very consistently. However, so when I go someplace like this one here that I'm at till September, I get a job at the RV park as doing work in their store or whatever I need to do. It's really cheap to live out here when you don't have any bills, when I don't have a sticks and bricks to pay bills on. You know, I'm not paying bills at some other place, some other state. When you do that, and you know, we went all in, push our chips in, so it really cut down our costs dramatically. When that happens, you don't need a whole lot to live on. Sure, we've got some savings and that sort of thing, but we do our best not to try to use those savings. So in the interim, basically, I do work camping, and the great thing about work camp is not only do you get paid so much to work there, but you also get a huge discount on being there. In this case, I'm getting the seasonal rate, although I'm not here but 3.5 months. I'm getting the rate that a person would get if they were here for 6 months. So it's definitely a huge benefit, and I'm only working part-time hours, so it's a great benefit. And this is actually a great campground, so I'm really happy with this. Lots of grass. We're not all jammed together. Big pool and everything, but you can check out that. I'm soon, probably in the next couple of weeks, I will be posting a video of this campground, which is Arrowhead Campground in Wisconsin Dells. I'll post a video of that campground, and you'll be able to see it. So let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I always say. Be sure and send this to your friends if they're interested in doing some RV. And if they got questions on RV doing full time, they can see some of our DIY videos and different things we do, because this is truly a channel. This is not a station. Let me rephrase that. This is truly a channel. This is not a show. A show is specifically driven, like some RVers I know will do a show of just RV parts, and that's all they do. And all they do is review things of their life. This channel is truly one of the very few that I found that is actually a channel, which means you've got more than one type of topic or thing that we're doing in this. We've got travel, we've got church reviews, which I just submitted another church review. We've got RV park reviews, and then we've got Masonic reviews. So if you're a Mason, I've got about 160 videos of Masonic buildings from around the country. Big places, little places, and all those in between. But anyway, I appreciate you come joining us, and there is a chance to actually help us benefit from your membership. I've got a membership set up that you can actually pay monthly, and I will send you more extra videos as soon as I get more people on there. I'll be sending extra videos as far as what's going on, and be able to answer more personal questions as far as what's going on. And if you have any questions about RVing or anything that I cover in Masonically or what have you, by all means ask those questions, and I'll be glad to address those on those channels. But let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living, well, the fire life and the coolest life.